Okay. It's 1 in the morning.
Yep, it is.
I'm Maya. That's Haley.
Yep, we are BFFLs.
And we are not sleepy at all.
Nope.
So yeah.
I wonder what we're gonna do tonight.
We're gonna stay up.
All day.
We are not sleepy.
Hey, have you heard of this show called Evil Twin? We're gonna make it.
Tomorrow. Which is actually today since it's 1.
Yep. Hope you like the scary video. It's kind of funny. Sort of.
It's supposed to be kind of funny, yeah. But like, so dark.
I hope you also like MH shows. But kind of ignore episode 3 because it messed up.
Sleepy little people. So yeah. YOLO.
Peace.